Assalamu alaikum and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Amir Zain bin Ramli and today I will be presenting my assignment for Building Maintenance 1 or BST257. This assignment focuses on painting works used in buildings from a building maintenance perspective. Painting works are important because they provide protection, durability, and aesthetic value to building surfaces. Different paint systems are used depending on the surface type, environmental conditions, and maintenance requirements. In this presentation, I will discuss the types of paint, their sustainability, and the painting application process and maintenance requirements. Types of paint. Number one, emulsion paint. The first type is emulsion paint. Emulsion paint is a water-based paint made from water, acrylic, or vinyl resins and pigments. It is commonly used on interior walls and ceilings made of plaster or concrete. Its main characteristics are fast drying, low odor, breathability, and moderate durability. The advantages of emulsion paint are that it is easy to apply and maintain, environmentally friendly, and has low VOC content. However, it is less resistant to heavy wear and has limited water resistance. The second one is enamel paint. Enamel paint is made from solvent-based resins and pigments. It is commonly applied on metal railings, doors, and wood surfaces. Enamel paint provides a hard and glossy finish with high durability and water resistance. Its advantages include strong protection against wear and an attractive decorative finish. However, it produces strong fumes due to high VOC content and requires a longer drying time. On the third type of paint is epoxy coating. Epoxy coating consists of epoxy resin and hardener in a two-component system. It is commonly used on industrial floors, hospitals, and car parks. This coating is extremely durable and resistant to chemicals and abrasion. Its advantages are a long lifespan of around 10 to 20 years, waterproof properties, and hygienic surfaces. However, epoxy coating is expensive and requires skilled application. And then we have anti-carbonation paint. Another important type is anti-carbonation paint. This paint is made from acrylic-based elastometric coating and is mainly used for external reinforced concrete structures. Its main function is to prevent carbon dioxide penetration and provide crack bridging ability. The advantages are that it protects reinforcement steel and extends the structural lifespan of concrete buildings. However, it is expensive and requires proper preparation before application. Lastly, we have weather-resistant paint. This paint is made from acrylic or silicone-based exterior coatings and is commonly used on exterior walls. Its characteristics include UV resistance, waterproofing, and antifungal properties. The advantages of sustainability of harsh climates and long-lasting color retention. However, it has higher cost and require periodic maintenance. Different surfaces require suitable painting systems to ensure durability and protection. Concrete and plaster surfaces commonly use emulsion or anti-carbonation paint for moisture protection. Metal surfaces are best coated with enamel or epoxy paint because of their strong adhesion and corrosion resistance. Wood surfaces usually use enamel paint to provide smooth and durable finish. Environmental exposure. Environmental exposure also affects paint selection. Interior areas commonly use emulsion paints, while exterior surfaces require weather-resistant paints because they are exposed to sunlight, rain, and humidity. Moisture resistance is important for wet areas, where epoxy and anti-mold paints are more suitable. UV resistance is also required for exterior paints to prevent fading. In terms of durability and lifespan, epoxy coatings can last 10 to 20 years, enamel paint lasts around 7 to 10, and emulsion paint lasts about 5 to 10 years. The painting processes begins with surface preparation. This includes cleaning the surface to remove dust, grease, and loose materials. Sanding is then carried out to smooth uneven surfaces, followed by priming to improve paint adhesion and durability. The coating system normally consists of primer coat, undercoat, and finishing coat. Different tools are used during painting works. Brushers are used for detailed areas, rollers are used for large surfaces, and spray equipment provides fast and uniform application. Safety precautions are also important during painting works. Workers should use personal protective equipment such as gloves, masks, and goggles. Proper ventilation should also be ensured to avoid inhalation of paint fumes. Regular maintenance is necessary to maintain painted surfaces. Routine inspections should be carried out to identify defects such as peeling, blistering, fading, and mold growth. Interior walls generally require repainting every 5 to 7 years, while exterior walls require more frequent repainting depending on environmental exposure. Cleaning methods include mild detergent washing and pressure washing for exterior surfaces. Defects must also be treated properly. Cracks should be filled with and repainted damp. Dampness Dampness problems should be identified and repaired at the moisture source, and mold growth should be treated using antifungal solutions. In conclusion, painting works are essential in building maintenance because they protect building materials, improve durability, and enhance aesthetic appearance. Different paint systems have different characteristics, applications, and maintenance requirements. Therefore, selecting the correct paint and maintaining it properly is important to ensure long-term building performance and reduce maintenance costs. Thank you.